I have been eyeing lights like this that are made from cement, but they are so expensive, so I decided to make my own using paper mache. You could use a bowl to cover it with the paper mache, but I didn't want a flat top. I wanted a perfect dome, and I also wanted mine to be pretty large, but I couldn't find a bowl big enough for what I wanted, so I decided to go with this rubber ball. I took a hula hoop and cut it, and then fit it around the middle of the ball, duct taping it together in place. Next, I mixed up the paper mache mix using 4 cups of water, but it was a little thick, so I ended up using more water as I went. Next, I covered the ball with plastic wrap and then sprayed it with this olive oil spray to try and keep it from sticking to the ball too much to make it easy to come off. But as you can see, the paper mache was just sliding off. So I scratched that and then just started sticking it straight onto the ball, and this worked out fine. To help smooth everything over when it was all applied, I just took more water and rubbed my hand around it until it was the smooth texture that I was going for. It will take a while for this to dry. I think mine was completely dry within a week, and I did put mine next to a dehumidifier in the beginning because I was scared of mold growing on it as it was drying, so I would suggest doing that. Next, I took a hand sander and just sanded the edges that were rough until it was smooth. Next, I took Roman clay in the color Thumper and just covered the whole dome with it, including the inside. This was really when I was starting to see my vision come to life, and as you can see, I was very excited. Next, I took Rub and Buff in the color Gold Leaf and just covered the hardware and chain that I got for the light because it came in chrome. I just didn't love the gold options I saw online, and I knew that the Rub and Buff would get it the perfect color that I was going for. Next, I measured the center of the dome so I could drill my hole to start my hardware. Unfortunately, the bit I used for the top of the dome was too big, so I had to make this makeshift washer to put in front of the washer that came with the kit, and it worked perfectly, and now it was time to do the install. I absolutely love how this turned out. It was exactly what I was going for. I can't believe that I saved $2,000 by doing this myself. If you love this video, be sure to subscribe.